Good afternoon, I'm Monty Montella. We've been tracking some snow, but really not much more than a few flurries left out there right now. You can see the traffic here at University and Haynes Mill.
With some gusts close to tropical storm force as we speak. The wave action on the ocean not looking all that impressive, partly because the tide is heading out.
Monty, we saw in our live shots the snow mostly gone, but some of those wet roads could be problematic, right? If it stays wet overnight?
Yeah, because it's going to get cold. In fact, temperatures will drop off into the 20s tonight, Rob. So yeah, any of that moisture going to freeze on up.
But it's after several razor-sharp maneuvers when the G-forces suddenly grab my attention.
I'm blacking out.
Tracking a severe storm that's in Rockingham County. Wind around 60 miles an hour. Some larger size hail possible out of this as well. Again, that's for Rockingham County, including the city of Reidsville. That runs until the top of the hour.
We left Raleigh this morning and the temperature was around 60 degrees. That was at 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's noontime here, and as you can see, the temperature well below zero. Welcome to the icebox.
We're thinking about 1 to 2 inches, more or less area-wide, especially along and north of I-40, but 2 or 3 inches not going to be out of the question here, especially on the elevated surfaces, the grassy areas. Heavy downpours around 40, again, clearing on out, staying on the chilly side into the first of next week. That is your 7-day forecast, Rob. Now we'll send it back to you. Hello, everyone. Glad you could join us here now in the 5 o'clock hour. A few clouds rolling through, but a dry evening on the way. Much brighter day for us today, but it's still feeling like winter. Temperatures right now in the middle 40s. This is more reminiscent of January. Plus, we've had quite a bit of wind out there today, adding a bite to the air. Winds still at this hour, 10 to 15 in most spots, gusting over 20 here in Greensboro. That's the small little number indicating the peak wind gust here as we have now entered the 5 o'clock hour. 18 in Asheboro. Winds have been west-northwest today. They do ease this evening and tonight, but it's going to be another fairly breezy day tomorrow. Clear night for us. Some snow showers may develop, though, in the mountains here. Got an upper-level disturbance swinging through, but all that moisture will get pulled away from the high country there. So maybe a cloud or two tonight and tomorrow, but overall looking dry, rather cold tomorrow again in the morning. We're talking 20s with daytime highs tomorrow, only 43, but a warm-up in store later in the week. We got to look at your 7-day forecast coming up.